Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to automatically sort incoming mails into folders in Gmail. If your inbox feels chaotic, this method will help you organize everything neatly and stay productive. So guys, first, open Gmail on your desktop and at the very top, locate the search bar, then click the sliders icon on the far right. That's your search filters button. A search panel will now appear below. In the From field, enter the email address you'd like to filter. For example, a colleague or newsletter sender. Next, you can tick the hash attachment box if you only want emails with files to be moved. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. Now, scroll down and click Create Filter. This takes you to the action settings here. Here is where the real organizing begins. Tick the box next to apply the label. Then click Choose Label and pick from the folder where these emails should go. If you haven't made one yet, just click New Label and give it a name like Work, Invoices, or anything you prefer. Then finally, hit the Create Filter button again to save everything. From now on, all emails matching your criteria will skip the main box and be sorted right into your selected folder automatically. Remember guys, you can also combine filters with stars, important markers, or categories to fine-tune your inbox even further. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.